Amukugambaho n'omunyamakuru waitu bwanyuma y'okurambura Leader w'ekitongole kya Uganda Wildlife Authority Ali Ruzinda ashoborra ngu ekiba kikora okuhikiriza ebiragiro bya kooti enkuru obwo erabire omuri omuramuzi wa Kasese Justice Lawrence Tweyanze bwanyuma y'okuhababa kwa Luka Kiza hamwe n'abandi barikushoborra ngu eitakane lyabo eryakyabatukura.
They say that they were evicted from that land by Uganda Wildlife Authority sometime in early 2000. The boundaries of that land had been opened earlier, but when the Kiza Lucas instructed another council, he saw it.
Council Ali yebwanyuma yekikorwa okuba ekyobusinguzi ekyokurambura yashoborra ngu basaveya ba gavumenti babe bareba okushohoza alipoota ya muhero obwe kooti yaheza okushijuma nukwo omuramuzi yabase kuhayo enchwamu ye.
All I can tell them is to be patient. We wait for the results, wait for the report that will be issued by the surveyors, and then the report will guide the court on the way forward. Not only the court, even ask the lawyers in the matter on the way forward.
Orukarani wabarukurwanira eitaka lyaky'abatukura Morini Ruthi Bira byomire n'ashabangu ekikorwa eki ekyokushohoza alipoota kibase kuhera kurungi kooti okusharamu omushango erikubahereza eitaka eryo eririkwingana hika 340 ez'eitaka.
I'm more than happy. I don't know how I can express this happiness. Today, we went to the ground. What I have been waiting for, it has been done today. The boundaries have been opened. So we are so grateful.
Wep leader wabarukurwanira eitaka abakyabatukura Godfrey Michel owa Cipro Advocates yasima kooti ahabwo kwikiriza okushaba kwe etyo ekigura emitano yeitakere yashaba embaju zona okusigaza obuchorera obwe barikurindirira alipoota erikwija kuruga ombasaveya erikwija kuba nebahwera okutunga ensharamu eyahamuhero.
Now that the exercise has been peacefully carried out today in the presence of both parties, we believe we are now going to wait for a transparent report, which is either confirming what was earlier found or it is departing from what was earlier found. In effect, the new report will be a verification of what was earlier found or a disapproval.
Mukoro gugwabibwaho entumwa okuruga omukooti enkuru ab'ekibiina kya Uganda Wildlife Authority abaseveya kuruga ministry y'ebyamataka abahingi abatungi b'ente ab'ebyokwerinda okuruga omupoliisi y'ab'ebihome aba UPDF hamwe n'abebembezi b'endengo za butosha. Gasha kwa Muhindo Gerald ahabwa Tayari West Omuri Kasese.